Hi guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of Takara Tomy's Hot Rod Transformers toy unboxing. This is the transformed version of Hot Rod. So by here, let me just move on. So same with the car video. Part 1, you can open his chest up and put this in and then shut it. And you can also make him hold the guns, and you can stick on his back because these 2 squares are still there. Or you can just make him hold them. Or you can put them in this little backpack spacey area. And also, we also have a saw hand that we'll be putting on him. For that, you need to put these hands in. First, you need to pull this out, and then this goes in. And then you see this little circle that goes on this circle. And then he has a saw arm. Same with last time, we have just 2 guns that you can store in the backpack if you want. Or you can put them in his hands, or just store them in them 2 little dots like I said. But I like storing them in the backpack. Thingy Bobby. And also the fishing rod. But you can make him hold in his hand and he can fish with it.